Dear students, it is entrepreneurship of class 11th. Let us start chapter 13. It is project formulation. Dear students, you know that project formulation. In this chapter, we have to discuss some of the things which are related to a project. You know that this project or in this different contents of project, let us know first that what is a project report. This is the first item, this is the first step that is needed to discuss in project formulation. This project report is also known as the business plan. You must keep this thing in mind, that project report or business plan. Let us know first that every person, when he starts a particular type of job, a particular type of task, whether it is a business task, whether it is any type of task, he makes a plan to perform the task, to complete the task. If he, two or just a few friends, they want to go on a trip, for everything they have to make a plan. So intelligent people, they make always plans and they act upon that, they move ahead on the basis of the plan. Same is the case with every entrepreneur, that every entrepreneur makes a business plan when he goes to start his unit. So the first thing is the conception of a business idea. It is कि पहला इंसान जो है इसके जहन में एक ख्याल आता है बिजनेस करने के लिए, तो उसके लिए मुख्तलिफ डिसीजंस लेता है। पहली चीज जो उसके जहन में होती है वो है बिजनेस प्लान और प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट. It is the first thing that comes in the mind of an entrepreneur, or we can say it is the cornerstone to be laid down in setting up an enterprise. So, just you must know that business plan or the project report, it is one and the same thing. First, let us know what is the meaning of the project report. Webster New 20th Century Dictionary defines a project report as a scheme, design, a proposal of something. मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया है कि प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट जो है ये एक स्कीम है, एक डिज़ाइन है, एक प्रपोजल है उस चीज़ का जो कुछ हम करने जा रहे हैं. ए प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट or a business plan, it is a scheme, it is a design, it is a proposal of something intended or devised. In other words, we can say it is a written statement of what an entrepreneur proposes to take up. एक दस्तावेज है, एक लिखी हुई चीज है जो कि एक इंटरप्रीनियर अब करने जा रहा है, उसको तजवीज़ है कि मैं ये चीज़ करूं, तो इसको प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट कहा जाता है या बिजनेस प्लान कहा जाता है. सो व्हाट इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ गाइड फॉर एन इंटरप्रीनियर टू अचीव his target that he has made for his future. So what it is a big road map to reach the destination determined by the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur ने एक हदफ बनाया होता है, एक गोल बनाया होता है, उस गोल को हासिल करने के लिए एक रोड मैप बनाता है, उसे बिजनेस प्लान कहा जाता है या प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट कहा जाता है. और वी कैन से well evolved course of action devised to achieve the specific objective within a specific period of time. मैंने पहले भी बताया कि प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट में एक खास मुद्दत के दौरान एक इंटरप्रीनियर को एक मकसद हासिल करना होता है. अब प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट्स के कंटेंट्स क्या है? व्हाट आर थिंग्स व्हिच आर बीइंग मेंशनड इन ए प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट? फर्स्ट थिंग that is to be mentioned in the project report, it is general information. So in general information, an entrepreneur just views, analyzes ऑल दिस द प्रोडक्ट प्रोफाइल एंड प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स। प्रोडक्ट के मुतलिक जो अब वो डील करने जा रहा है उसके मुतलिक तमाम चीज़ें वो पहले इन डिटेल हासिल करता है, दैट इज़ जनरल इंफॉर्मेशन। इट इज़ द फर्स्ट कंटेंट ऑफ every project report. It has no shortcuts. It is not just a process that can be completed within minutes, because it is a long plan. It is a plan for years together. So there are different contents for which a project, this a businessman or an entrepreneur has to go very deep. So first is general information. Second is promoter. Promoter means this entrepreneur, his or her, whether she is a woman or he is a man, his educational qualification or her educational qualification, work experience, project related experience, यानी अब उसकी एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन देखनी है, उसका एक्सपीरियंस देखना है, और उसको प्रोजेक्ट रिलेटेड एक्सपीरियंस, यानी उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में उसकी एक्सपीरियंस क्या है। प्रमोटर जो है इसमें ये चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती हैं। प्रमोटर हो गया जो इंसान अब ये प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट बना रहा है, इसमें क्या इंक्लूड करता है। थर्ड है लोकेशन। अब प्रोजेक्ट जो अभी शुरू करने जा रहा है इसकी जगह देखनी है, इसकी लोकेशन देखनी है, वेदर इट इज़ ऑन हायर what are the locational advantages. He has to see the different things regarding the location of this project. Third is land and building. So for every type of project, land and building it is involved. So he has to see the land area, construction area, types of construction, cost of construction, and so for that matter he has to prepare a plant layout for this purpose. Then plant and machinery. This is another component of this project report. He has to see the plant, he has to see the machinery, capacity, suppliers, cost, various alternatives which are available with this planner or the project reporter. Sixth is production process. He has to see that what type of process I am going to start. What is the production process? Process chart, technical know-how, technology, alternatives available, production program. Then utilities. In this he sees water, power, steam, compressed air requirements, ventilation, cost estimated, source of utilities. So all these things they are to be viewed, analyzed but by every this entrepreneur. Eighth is transport and communication. He has to see different modes of transportation, and he has to analyze the cost incurred in these different medias. Ninth is raw material. He has to see that what type of raw material I am going to produce, whether the raw material is sufficient for me or not, whether I am going to have the raw material at the lower cost. So these are different things related to the raw material. Then manpower. He has to see that whether the manpower which is available to me, whether they are skilled, unskilled, semi-skilled, whether they are trained, and he has to see the cost incurred on manpower. Then 11th, products. He has to see for products he has to see the product mix, that is price, that is product. He has to see the different channels related to these products, competition in the market, product standard, inputs and outputs, or the substitutes he is going to use. Then he has to see the market, because every businessman has ultimately he has to deal with the market. He has to see in advance that what type of market I am going to have. He has to see the different channels for marketing, whether he has to go on the national level, international, or local level. He has to see the trade practices. Then he has to see a requirement of working capital. So the working capital he needs for a particular type of work, he has to see, because at crucial times the working capital must be available with him. He has to see the different kinds of charges he has to pay. So it is very important for every type of project report. Then there is requirement of funds. These are preliminary expenses, miscellaneous assets, building, machinery, cost of land, different kinds of funds he needs during the process. He has to see all these. Then this is cost of production, break-even analysis. I told you, no profit, no loss. He has to see this thing also in advance, and schedule of implementation, that how he implements the project report or the business plan. So these are the components that are included, or the contents that are included in a project report. So this is enough for today.